Hi, my name is Mason Blankenship. I'm a senior software engineer at Ciholas Incorporated, and today I'm going to be walking you through network configuration for the CUWB network using our tool called the CUWB Manager. This is the first screen you will see when you type in localhost:5000 at the top of your URL bar in whatever web browser you use. And on this page you can create a new CUWB network. So I'm going to demonstrate that now. We'll just call this our new test network. And just hit the little plus icon and it will generate it for you. And now you can just click on your network to go to the configuration page. On this screen, if you have your devices plugged in over Ethernet, you will see them pre-populated as unconfigured devices ready to be automatically added to your network. We have so many devices at our building that that's not actually a useful tool for us, so I'm going to disable it for now, and instead I'm going to enter the serial numbers by hand. All of our devices have the serial number on the bottom, and so all you need to do is take the Ciholas serial number from the label and type it in here. I have gone ahead and written down all the serial numbers for my devices, so I'll be typing them in now. My network will be fairly simple, just two DWEETH101s functioning as anchors, and two DW tags functioning as my tags on my network. So your tags you'll want to make sure are configured as default tags, which they should be by default. Your anchors you'll want to make sure you switch them to the Cedar role. We will leave the other network configurations alone for now, but notice there are numerous other network configuration tabs up here for other settings that you can change down the line, and we will get to that another day. For now, we're going to stick with just a basic network configuration. You will need to make sure that you enter in the XYZ location that you've surveyed for your devices. I had done that ahead of time, so I don't need to do that right now. And then once you have all of your devices added to your network, you can go ahead and switch over to the status page and just hit play. There's also a play and stop icon in the top right for starting your network that way if that's easier for you. Once you've started your network, you'll start to see your devices have their connectivity displays change from the red exclamation point to a green check mark. You'll also see their IP address and version numbers start to populate on the screen as they join the network. You'll also see a display of their current role. And as the devices are joined in the network, you can also switch to the log page, and it will give you a detailed breakdown of the current activity and any state changes that are occurring on your network to give you more information about the network as it's operating. This has been your basic network configuration tutorial for the CUWB Manager tool. For more details on advanced configuration options, please go to the website www.cuwb.io. Thank you for joining us. We are Ciholas. We fill the gap from chip to app.